Hey, what's up guys? This is going to be a tutorial on how to remove the airbag and disassemble a Nismo Juke RS Recaro. It's really just a Recaro Sportster CS with a Nismo reskin on it. We're first going to need to pull these two pieces out, and they have two. You're going to need potentially a pry tool, I think it's a 2mm Allen wrench, and a 15mm Torx bit for those screws. But get this off. There we go. If you saw there, you just pull up from here and it comes on out. Get your Torx bit. After you have those removed on the front side, the other video on this details the removal of the airbags from the 370Z Nismo V2 Recaros. Since this is a Nismo Juke RS, there is one difference, and it is that the leather section goes all the way down here. The V2 Nismo ones it attaches by like going over it right here. So for the V2, you'd have to pull this leather thingy up and then kind of like peel the cover out. As you can see here, what I mean, the cover is kind of peeled. I could push it inwards like that to get it out, but in order to loosen it, you're just gonna have to go through the whole way and peel it up. But I am not going to be doing that. Actually, no, I was wrong. So forget what I said right there. If you just want to remove the airbag after it's blown, you're gonna need to loosen this. I think it's a 10 mil or something like that. These two 10 mils, this little metal bracket is what holds the actual airbag along with the big wiring harness, but I've already got that removed. So to actually remove this big black piece, you're also gonna pull off this piece. It is that little like triangle thingy over there. Just gonna pull it right off. But anyways, so I'm gonna be ordering a cover for these, a cover replacement. I'm not gonna be getting new airbags because I just don't want to pay that. And so you're gonna continue peeling this back. I might put the camera down. Okay, so I just did the same process as before, peeling out this thing. I don't really want to leave it in the same spot for too long, just in case it creates any wrinkles. I don't know, I don't usually work with leather. I got the OEM V1 seats, but I just have it pulled enough that I'll be able to access these hex bolts. There. Oh, right there. And the other video I'll link in the description from the guy. His name's Do Likes Cars, I believe, on YouTube. Yeah, so I'm gonna put the camera down and continue just peeling this back, just enough to show y'all. Okay, so I just got the airbag out. I was originally removing these hex screws with a 2mm, I think, Allen key. A total pain, because you had to rotate it over and over. But I realized the airbag's just held in right there by two 10mm. So after those 4 screws are removed from both sides, what you're gonna wanna do is to separate these. You're gonna get your fingers in there, and then there's 2 clips that just pop in. There's one, and there should be, just hard to do while holding the camera, but you'll get it easily.
There we go. Like I said, it's kind of hard to pop out occasionally, but not too bad.